In this video, we listed the 5 best printer under $200 that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Canon PIXMA TR8620A. The Canon CN-TR8620A is a versatile wireless inkjet printer designed for efficiency and convenience. It features a 5-individual ink tank system, enabling cost-effective replacement of inks as needed. With wireless connectivity, users can easily print, copy, scan, and fax from various devices. It supports borderless printing up to 8.5 by 11 inches and includes a 20-sheet ADF for efficient scanning and copying tasks. The printer boasts a maximum print speed of 10 pages per minute in color and 15 pages per minute in monochrome, making it suitable for both home and small office use. Additionally, it supports auto-duplex printing, enhancing productivity while saving on paper costs. Weighing 17.4 pounds and equipped with a 200-sheet capacity, split between a 100-sheet cassette and rear feed, the Canon CN-TR8620A offers a reliable solution for everyday printing needs. Number 2. HP OfficeJet 200 Printer. The HP OfficeJet 200 is a compact and portable inkjet printer designed for easy wireless printing from various devices like laptops and smartphones. It features a 2-inch display and supports mobile printing via the HP ePrint app, including wireless direct printing without needing a network. With a maximum print speed of 19 pages per minute, ppm, for color and 20 ppm for monochrome, it offers versatility in various printing tasks. The printer is lightweight at 4.9 pounds, making it convenient for travel or on-the-go use. It includes a fast-charging battery that can be powered up in 90 minutes from an AC source, ensuring minimal downtime. Compatible with HP 62 ink cartridges, it supports efficient printing with options for high-yield cartridges. Additionally, it integrates with Alexa for voice-activated printing and ink reordering, enhancing its user-friendly features for seamless printing experiences anywhere. Number 3. HP OfficeJet 8015E. The HP new inkjet printer is designed for small businesses and home offices, emphasizing efficiency and professional quality color printing. It supports wireless connectivity and features such as auto-document feeder, two-sided printing, and a touchscreen interface. With HP Plus integration, it offers smart features like mobile printing, enhanced security, and automatic updates, requiring an HP account and original HP ink. It boasts fast print speeds of up to 18 pages per minute in monochrome and 10 pages per minute in color, ideal for producing forms, reports, brochures, and presentations. The printer includes 6 months of instant ink, allowing up to 700 pages per month with ink delivered as needed, with potential savings of up to 50% on ink costs. Number 4. HP ENVY 6055E. The HP new inkjet printer in white combines wired and wireless connectivity options, catering well to home printing needs. It features Energy Star certification and self-healing Wi-Fi for reliable connectivity. Operating at speeds up to 10 ppm for monochrome and 7 ppm for color, it supports essential functions like printing, copying, and scanning in color, with additional mobile and wireless printing capabilities. The printer includes HP Plus smart features for enhanced mobile printing, security, and automatic updates, requiring an HP account and original HP ink. Connectivity options include dual-band Wi-Fi and a USB 2.0 port, while the HP Smart app facilitates easy setup and everyday printing tasks from mobile devices. Number 5. Epson Expression XP 4200. The Epson XP 4200 is a versatile inkjet printer designed for home and photo printing. It features a sleek black design and offers both Wi-Fi and USB connectivity options. With a maximum print speed of 10 ppm for monochrome and 5 ppm for color, it balances efficiency with quality. Special features include automatic duplex printing and Energy Star certification for eco-friendly operation. This printer excels in producing crisp documents and vibrant borderless photos, leveraging Epson's advanced imaging technology. Setup is straightforward with a 2.4-inch color display and compatibility with the Epson Smart Panel app for seamless control from smartphones or tablets. It supports wireless printing from Android or iOS devices, and features micro-piezo heat-free technology for reliable, long-lasting performance. Individual ink cartridges ensure cost-effective printing by allowing replacement of only the necessary ink. Additionally, it supports hands-free, voice-activated printing through Alexa, enhancing convenience for users on the go.